Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term stylistics. Introduction. Since the 1950s, the field of stylistics has emerged as a critical approach that seeks to replace the subjectivity and impressionism of standard analysis with a more objective or scientific study of the style in literary texts. This methodological shift was largely influenced by the works of Russian formalists such as Roman Jakobson and European structuralists. Two main modes of stylistics can be distinguished, each differing in conception and scope of application. Two modes of stylistics. In the narrower mode of formal stylistics, style is identified through the distinction between what is said and how it is said in a text. Here, the content is referred to as information, message, or propositional meaning, while style encompasses variations in the presentation of this information, affecting the text's aesthetic quality and the reader's emotional response. Linguistic concepts are utilized to identify distinctive stylistic features which may pertain to phonological, syntactic, lexical, or rhetorical aspects. Nevertheless, one challenge is to distinguish between the numerous linguistic features that can be isolated by analysis and those that genuinely contribute to the text's aesthetic and emotional impact. Stylistic analysis beyond quantitative determination. Stylisticians aiming to enhance the objectivity of research use computers to facilitate stylometry, quantitatively measuring an individual writer's style. However, some stylists employ non-quantitative methods based on language theory, such as the distinction between paradigmatic and syntagmatic relations or the semantic and aesthetic functions in a text. Moreover, stylistic analysis can extend beyond the quantitative determination of style, seeking connections between stylistic features and an author's psyche, perceptual tendencies, or historical era. Broader mode of stylistics. The second mode of stylistics, prominent since the mid-1960s, broadens the scope to encompass the study of language use in literature, involving the entire range of general characteristics of language as medium of literary expression. This expansion incorporates concerns of traditional literary criticism and rhetoric, but emphasizes on objective focus on the text itself. The goal is to discover the rules governing how linguistic elements and patterns in a text achieve their meanings and literary effects. However, critics like Stanley Fish have critiqued the scientific aspirations of formal stylistics, arguing that style and content are inseparable in a reader's response to a text. Stylistics' territorial expansion. As stylistics has extended its domain, it has been described as the imperialism of modern stylistics. Anthologies like The Stylistics Reader provide comprehensive insights into stylistic analysis, and critics like René Valek have examined the field's territorial expansion. Additionally, some critics consider stylistics as encompassing discourse analysis, which involves the study of language use in various contexts. Conclusion. In conclusion, stylistics offers critical procedures aimed at understanding and analyzing the style of literary texts in a more objective manner. The approaches within stylistics vary, ranging from formal analysis of linguistic features to broader examinations of language use in literature. Regardless of the method employed, the ultimate goal is to unveil the mechanisms by which linguistic elements shape the aesthetic and emotional impact of literary works. So this was the discussion on the term stylistics. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.